You guys, I haven't cut my hair in 2 years and I'm chopping it all off today. Okay, just kidding. I'm not chopping it all off, but I am gonna do something pretty drastic. I'll show you in a second what my inspiration is. But real quick, I thought I would just talk to you about it while I hustle to get ready. I have 9 minutes till we need to leave. So, I am putting some moisturizer on. I'm gonna put some makeup on. And okay, so let me tell you about my hair. So, legitimately have not, also sorry for this lighting, it won't be like this for the whole video, but my closet lighting is just super weird. I need to get like a ring light or something in here. But I have truly not cut my hair in I think 2 years, maybe even a little bit over. I haven't cut it since the pandemic hit. So I am typically like, I'm a very low maintenance hair person. I usually get my hair done maybe like every 6 months. I usually like to let it grow, and then sometimes when I was younger, I would let it grow, and then chop it off. Like, I like the extreme, like either super long or cute and short like a bob. I'll show you some reference pictures here of my hair long and my hair short so you can see. So I typically pretty much do nothing to my hair. I will get a balayage, which is basically just like less maintenance highlights that just kind of grow out and fade with your hair, so it looks really natural and you don't have to like keep up the maintenance on it. I've been doing balayages for a few years, but before that I really didn't even dye my hair. The first time I ever dyed my hair, I was a senior in high school and I did it for a show I was in. I was playing Penny in Hairspray, and the woman cast as my mom had bright red hair, and my Uncle Greg was the director of the show, and he made me dye my hair bright red. I looked like Ariel. I actually looked really pretty. I'll put a picture right here of my high school self with red hair. But anyway, all that to say, I'm a low maintenance hair person, okay? I don't like a very stylized haircut. I don't like lots of layers, so I'm doing something a little different today, and I'm excited. So my hair is so stinking long. I'll show you in a second what we're working with. It's bad, you guys. I think it's the longest it's ever, truly ever been. It might have been longer when I grew it out to play Jo in Little Women. Like I said, my hair changes are really just the result of being in shows and needing to make my hair different for a role I'm playing, but it's never been longer. It's driving me absolutely insane. So I'm not gonna go super short, because when it's short I have to fix it for it to look good. So I'm going for still fits in a ponytail, pretty low maintenance length. What I'm doing differently this time is I am going to put some shaping layers in the front. So this is a very trendy thing to do right now, and I normally don't go for the trendy, but I just love the look of it so much that I'm like, yeah, I want to do this. So my inspiration photo, hilariously enough, you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but if you watch me, you probably know that my dirty little secret is that I'm obsessed with Mormon Utah family vloggers. Sorry, it's a character defect. I just don't know what to tell you. One of the ones I love is Mindy McKnight, Cute Girls Hairstyles. Brooklyn and Bailey's mom. And I love her hair. I was watching her Instagram stories the other day and I legitimately took 2 screenshots of her hair. I'll put them right here. So this is the cut I'm going for. It's not the color I'm going for, but it's the cut I'm going for. So the color I'm going for is this right here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to finish this eye look up real quick. Throw some glitter on. Literally just slapping makeup on my face because I have 4 minutes to do. And I gotta obviously throw it up at least in a normal looking. Why is my mirror flashing? Do you guys see the flashing? I need to change the battery. So yeah, I'll show you how bad my hair has gotten. And then we'll go to the salon. What show is that? It's like a Disney show or something. Isn't there like a TikTok sound that's like, to the salon or something? Oh my god, that flashing is horrible. That's making my makeup look crazy. It doesn't look this crazy in real life, I promise. So I go to this salon called the Social Club in Oklahoma City. My friend Allie recommended it to me. Shout out to Allie, she's in Africa right now. I'm so jealous. So I've literally been there once 2 years ago, and I'm going back to the same girl who cut my hair 2 years ago, and it's the kind of appointment that you just schedule like online with the consultant you want, the stylist you want. And so I don't know if she remembers me, like I haven't spoken to her or anything, so it's gonna be hilarious to go to her today and be like, hey, you cut my hair 2 years ago, remember me? I told you that I'm very low maintenance hair and that you probably wouldn't see me for at least 6 months. Yeah, it's been 2 years. But she was really great. She did a great job on my hair. So I am excited. So real quick, let me show you what I'm working with hair-wise and then we'll go. God, this lighting's horrid. Okay, I legit have 2 minutes. Like, is anyone else just incapable of getting places on time? Because I am. All right. It's not clean, so fair warning. But it legit, you guys, like, just look at that. It's just like a freaking mess. It's a mess. Look how long it is in the back. I don't even know if you can see it all. It comes down basically to the bottom of my back. Like, it's just, it's a mane. Like these ends are horrible. It's just bad, 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 bad. So I'm just gonna throw it up in a loose bun and she can hopefully work some magic on it because it is bad. All right, let's go to the salon. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm done. It took 3 hours and I'm obsessed. I'm not going to show you my hair yet because I want to show you on the good camera when I get home, but I will show you what I got. As you can see, they have the cutest little store. So I got, first of all, some Shine and Texture spray. She used this in my hair and I really liked it. And she also used this styling mousse, which was really cool too. So I got both of those, and then I got, oh my gosh, look at this giant purple clip. So stinking cute. And I got another clip, this pink guy, big, big, big guy. I love the ones that are shaped like this because I just think they look so pretty in your hair. And then I got 2 little stickers because I couldn't resist for my bulletin board. One that says, well, shit. Look how stinking cute that is. And then one that says, don't touch me. So let's go home. Actually, we're going to go to Starbucks first because I am dying for some Starbs. And then we're going to go home and I'll show you the big reveal and we'll reveal it to Eric and I'll probably call my mom too. So let's go. What do you think? Here's my new hair. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I love it so much. I love the layers that she put in it, how they kind of swoop. It's very like giving me 70s vibes. The balayage she did was so natural, but like you can tell there's pretty color. Oh, she cut like 5 inches off. It only comes to here now. It just feels, oh, it feels amazing. Here's the back. So nice. I'm really excited to try and like, look at that. Look at those pieces. Oh, I'm such a trendy girl, you guys. My front pieces. I can't wait to curl it and see what it looks like curled. So I may try that tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna set this up in the living room so that we can get Eric's reaction. So let's go do that. Okay, Scoopy, come see my hair. I pulled it to the front, so you have to come over here to see it.
Whoa! That looks really good. I like it.
Thanks.
I like how it's shorter up here.
Yeah, isn't that cool? It's like layered at the front.
It's very straight also.
Did you, I just have one question for you. Did you prep yourself before you walked out here to have a good reaction?
I mean, I told myself like, hey, maybe have a reaction unlike
because you guys know, if you know, you may not know, but Eric I make fun of him all the time for his reactions because he thinks he's reacting a certain way and then he'll watch it and be like, that is the dullest reaction I've ever seen. What the heck? I was really happy in that moment, I promise. So when you came out just now, you were like, oh!
Did I do good?
You did good. Do you like it?
I really like it. I think it looks good. It looks different, but not like a
crazy
different, yeah.
Do you like the color?
Yeah.
Can you tell there are highlights?
Yes, I can
Eric
tell
didn't know I had highlights
Listen,
till
everybody. Listen. Listen.
My birthday.
Yeah.
So I got my hair done, highlights in my hair 2 years ago, right? I already explained this. You have a drink there for you.
Thank you.
And Eric didn't notice till my birthday this year, so basically 2 years.
Yeah.
He didn't notice I had highlights. And they were like so faded by that point. So what I love about this is that the highlights are so natural that I don't have to like go every 6 weeks to get them touched up. Like she left my roots completely normal, no color at all. You like it?
I like it.
I just love the front pieces, the layers.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, well, I'm gonna call my mom now and get my mom's reaction for you guys.
It'll be much better than my reaction.
Your reaction was cute, Scrimp.
It's so cute. I love it.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
What do you think?
Okay, that's fabulous. Did she also use a straightener on it?
No. She just did a blowout.
Wow. Let me see the back. Whoa.
How do I do the back? It's just normal.
It's not layers back there.
No, I literally just did these front pieces, front layers.
And you got highlights in there too, yeah?
Yeah. And I got a balayage.
Wow, wow, wow. I love it. Do you love it?
I love it. I feel so much better.
So cute.
I wasn't embarrassed about the length and the quality of my hair until I sat down in her chair and she made me take out my bun and I was like, yeah, it's bad. And she was like, okay, you win for COVID hair. And I was like, ugh. I mean, it's had been 2 years, so.
Yeah.
But I love it.
I do too. It looks really good.
I'm obsessed with the front pieces.
Very fun.
Very 70s.
Yes, no, I love it. It looks really good. I love the
Thanks.
color too.
Okay, say bye to the vlog.
Okay, but wait, I have to say something to the vlog. You know, not the last vlog. By the time you see this, it'll be the one before, where Eileen and Eric, you guys did relationship questions.
I'll link it up here.
Okay, yeah. I just want to say, I knew all of the answers.
Yeah.
I knew them. I'm
Obviously.
just saying, like Florida. I mean, I knew them all, so I just wanted to get that in.
Okay, so noted in the vlog, my mom knew all the answers and she likes my hair.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for coming to this vlog where I cut my hair for the first time in 2 years. I really love it. I am like so a low maintenance hair person, like I said. I think it's subtle, I think it's stylish, but still easy to fix and easy to maintain. So I'm happy with it. This little child is happy with it. She needs her mother. So don't forget to subscribe. Stick around, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!